This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook factor meals. Factor meals are a fantastic solution for busy individuals, offering delicious, chef-prepared dishes delivered right to your home. These meals are designed for ultimate convenience, meaning you can enjoy a gourmet experience without the hassle of extensive cooking. Let's dive into the simple steps to get your meal ready in no time. For quick preparation, the microwave is your best friend. First, remove the cardboard sleeve from your factor meal tray. Next, simply puncture the film a few times with a fork to allow steam to escape during heating. Place the tray in your microwave and heat on high for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. Once done, let it rest for about 60 seconds before carefully peeling back the film and enjoying your perfectly warmed meal. If you prefer a crispier texture, oven heating is an excellent option. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, which is about 175 degrees Celsius. Transfer your factor meal from its original tray into an oven-safe dish. Heat for approximately 10 to 15 minutes or until it's thoroughly warmed through. For food safety, ensure the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit before serving. To ensure the best possible experience, remember a few key tips. Factor meals are delivered fresh, so avoid freezing them to maintain their quality and taste. Always refer to the specific heating instructions provided on each individual meal's packaging, as times can vary slightly. For an extra touch, consider adding fresh garnishes like a sprinkle of herbs or a squeeze of lemon. Enjoy your perfectly prepared, convenient, and delicious factor meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.